Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I hope you're doing well. So in today's video I will be showing you how I do my nails at home. I have not done my nails for the longest time and I just fancy having my nails done, plus I'm going out tonight, so I thought to, spruce myself up a bit. So these are my nails, as you can see them. Love the colour and everything. So if you want to see how I do this, then please keep watching the video. So first I'm just checking the size of the nails, each packet, and just checking which one fits. So these are the nails which all fits my finger. I just get a cuticle stick and just carefully, please do it very carefully, push your cuticles down. So now I'm just using a nail filer to file down my nails. It's just to help it get a bit rough and help it once I start my gluing process, just to make it all tacky. So now I'm just going to get my nail glue. You can use any nail glue you want. And I'm just going to simply stick it on my nails. So just put a little drop of nail glue, and it's best to slide it in the nails and hold it down. Basically, you shouldn't get no air in the nails because that's where it won't last long. So you need to make sure you glue it down solid and hold it quite tight. So I'm just filing the ends because when the nails come, they do have a little sharp edging. So I'm just filing it down. So you can get whatever color you choose. I've chosen a kind of like a light pinkish sort of color. So I did do 2 coats, but this is me doing the first one. Then after I will do another one. But it's just about 2 coats, or as much coats you really think is necessary, depending on the type of nail varnish. This is the first time I've used a gel nail varnish. That's what I'm using. It's a pink gel nail varnish. So I just used a bit of nail varnish remover, and I've got the earbuds, and I'm just going to just clean up the edges really, because I was doing quite a bit of a messy job, so I was just tidying it up and just to make it look a bit better. So now here I'm just setting my nails under. I've got a, I think it's called an LV light. I will put down the correct name in the description. But this one's a light one. So now I'm just gonna do. So I did do my second coat, but now I'm just going to do the top coat. So it just prevents like chipping or anything like that. It just makes your nails last a lot longer. Well, the color itself, and it doesn't chip off. And then I'm gonna go under the light again. So these are the finished touches of my nails. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed how I done my nails at home. I enjoyed doing them. I did see a little trial error, and I know the more I do, the more I practice, the better it will come out, better results. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So take care now. Bye.